What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today finally we are seeing the breakout of this very important resistance on the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price. As you can see, very important level of descending resistance right here, and also horizontal resistance at the level of $26,800. With this pumpy action we are breaking both of them together guys. And if you watched my live stream today earlier, I told you guys about this movement, and it happened exactly as I was telling you guys. When I did the live stream, I told you about the importance of this green zone right here, and I also told you that we were still trapped inside this zone, which was pretty bad for us because we had this movement to the downside, breaking this level, and now we are retesting, not managing to break above once more. But I said if we are going to break above this level, also breaking above these previous highs right here, find support on the way back, then guys, most probably we would come all the way up to the level of this resistance once more, and maybe even finally break it to the upside. And exactly as I said guys, it happened. So if you watched my live stream, this was of course a very good point of entry to a long position. Actually, maybe not from here for example, but definitely after we saw this green candle of rejection here, signaling that we are being supported by this level. So from this point right here would be a very good long trade position. Unfortunately, I didn't trade it myself because, as I said on the live stream as well, these days have been crazy for me. I am not having much time, so I warned you about this movement, but I didn't see it happening afterwards. So if you are in a similar situation as I am guys, if you didn't manage to open the long position here, if you missed all this movement to the upside, I wouldn't be opening a long position from this point. I am not going to just FOMO in guys, because as you can see, we went all the way up to the level of this resistance right here, and we were rejected by this level, forming this very ugly candle right here. Yes, we are seeing a lot of strength on the market right now, but a correction is very possible. And you know that usually when we break above a level of resistance, usually we come back to retest it as a new support. So I am not going to open this long position from this point right here. Instead of this, I am going to wait patiently as the price comes back to these levels right here. And from these levels, I am going to see the reaction of the market, the rejection from this point, the support, the bull stepping in, and then from here I would be very more comfortable opening my long position. Of course, remember that I am not your financial advisor guys. We are seeing a lot of strength here on the Bitcoin price, and yes, even though we had this rejection here, we have the possibility of just keep going up. So make your trades based on your own strategies and on your own risks. If we are going to see the price action breaking above this level guys, I would open as well a long position. So from the point that we are right now, I am doing nothing on Bitcoin. But if we are going to retrace to these levels, long position. If we are going to break above these levels, long position. And if you also want to trade Bitcoin guys from here or from here, it doesn't matter, I recommend you to use Bybit, my favorite exchange. And if you sign up to Bybit using the link on the description of this video guys, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But they require KYC, so if you don't want to do the KYC guys, I would then recommend you to use the second link on the description of this video, and you can claim $10 if you deposit $100. Don't forget to smash the like button of course. Coming back to the chart guys, as I said, it would be very good if we would see Bitcoin coming all the way back to this level. Would be very comfortable to open a long position, but there is a probability that we are not going to see this. Let me show you what happened some weeks ago. Let's change to the daily time frame and let's come back to here. As you can see, we topped out right here and we started seeing some bearish movements on the Bitcoin price section guys. Huge legs to the downside. The same thing that happened right here when we topped out right there. And back here we also had a descending level of important resistance right here, that every time that the price touched it, we went down every time until we finally broke it to the upside. And guys, once we broke it to the upside, yes, we also had resistance above the price section, but you can see that Bitcoin just went straight up. So yes, there is a probability that we are going to see the same scenario here, guys. Be aware of this, because if you are waiting for that retracement to retest this previous resistance as a support, you might lose all this bullish movement to the upside. And if you don't want to risk losing all this movement to the upside, guys, and you definitely want to open a position from this point, I would tell you guys to at least don't go aggressive, because we might see this correction. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!